how I got my free gift from Temu, what I ordered and what I got to claim the free gifts. Hello, my beautiful people. My name is Nonye, and this is Nonye Tutor Zone. On this channel, we create tutorial videos on how to make money online, YouTube growth tips. If this is the kind of videos that you want, please stick with me to the ending of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you'll be the first to get notified when I post a new video. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Okay, yeah, what I got from Temu. Okay. So guys, this is it, guys. Yeah, you get it. So this is what I actually got from Temu. They gave me free gifts and plus what I ordered in this small little package. Yeah. Okay, so we are going to be unboxing it together. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be showing you on the screen. You see what I got for free. Okay, so let's dive right into the video. Okay, I'll be showing you everything. Okay, so let's unbox it. Okay, so what I got for free, the first gift is wireless microphone. Okay, they gave me this for free. This 2-in-1 wireless microphone. Yeah, for free, guys. Yes, for free. Yeah, 2-in-1 wireless microphone. You know, as a content creator, you need microphone. Though it's not compulsory because I'm actually filming this video without a microphone, guys. Okay, no ring light. I'm not using a ring light. I'm just using the sun from my window. Let me show you guys what my window looks like. You can see the sun. The amount of sun coming from my window. That is actually what I'm using to film this video. Okay, so you can do the same. Look for a place where there is sun in your house and you are good to go. You don't need any ring light. Honestly, you don't need it. You don't need any microphone. I am filming this thing. I'm not using a microphone. Okay, so guys, that's it. All right, so that's it for this. Yeah. So the next one is the sunset projector. Okay, this to lighten your background, like to give your background a different light when you are filming and so on. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so the next one is Type-C USB audio adapter. Okay, you know most Android phones nowadays, they don't come with headphone jack. So if you are that kind of person, you have a phone that doesn't come with headphone jack, what you need is a Type-C USB audio adapter. Okay, once you connect it, you can now connect your earphone jack. Okay, let me show you that. Let me open it, guys. So cannot connect it here and you can use it to listen to your music and so on and so forth. So that's it. So these are the free gifts, guys. These are the free gifts. So these are the free gifts. So let me show you what I ordered to actually claim those free gifts. Okay, so this is it, selfie stick. Okay, we all know selfie stick is very important. Okay, for me, I don't know about for others. For me, selfie stick is important because like what I'm using to film this video is a tripod. Okay, I use a tripod stand to stabilize my video. Okay, because I wouldn't want my video to be shaky. Maybe if I stand up or I move, it's shaky and all that. So it's just to make my video stable. So, and it's big, it's not something I can be carrying out. So okay, so I need a selfie stick. Maybe if I'm not at home and I want to film that video, okay, I can easily use this to stand it and create that video. So this is a go-to for me. It's very important. Okay, so that's it. The next one is wireless earpod. Wireless earpod. Okay, so this is it, wireless earpod. I bought this. Okay, so you see the price. These are one of the stuff that I bought to actually claim those 3 gifts I showed you guys. So you check the prices are there. The next one is this 5-in-1 data cable, guys. Okay, 5-in-1 data cable. Okay, it has everything, both the pin for your SIM jack and all that stuff. Okay, so this is important for me and that is the reason why I bought it. Okay, so the final one is this ring lights. This ring lights. So we're going to be opening it. Okay. So, oh my God. This is a ring light, guys. This is a 10 cm ring light. Okay. This is the, I think, the stand for the ring lights. Um, this is the phone and this in jack, and so on and so forth. I'm going to check the paper and know how to set it anyways. So that's it. So I had to buy those stuff, okay, in order to claim my free gifts. Okay, so if you want a detailed video on how you can also get free gifts when you order, or you want to get the free gift even without paying a dime, if you want a well detailed video, just let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to be putting out the step-by-step tutorial video on how you can get your own free gift for free, okay, without even ordering anything. Okay, that is if you have the strength to follow that route. It's just because I do not have the strength to follow the route. That is the reason why I did not go through that route of looking for people to bring. They'll tell you need to invite I don't know whether it's about 17 people or so for you to claim your gifts. Okay, they will ask you to choose about 5 gifts, and they will tell you to invite people. So, and you need to invite those people within the period of 24 hours. Once that 24 hours elapse, you have to start afresh again. So if you are this kind of person, you have a lot of followers, or you have people that you can actually invite, feel free to follow that route. For me, I don't know anybody. I don't have anybody to invite, and that's the reason why I had to opt for this one, that you have to give you 3 gifts, and they will tell you to order something worth of so amount for you to actually claim the gift. So yeah, so whichever one you want, whichever route you want to take, feel free to do that. Okay, so guys, so that's it. At this point, if you're still watching my video, please subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend it to other people. Okay, and yes, feel free to correct me. I'm open to correction. Whatever thing you feel you want to correct in this video, please go ahead and do so. Okay, please, yeah, go ahead and do so, and let's grow together, guys. If you're a new YouTuber, you're just starting, you are here to create your content, feel free to join, feel free to start up. Come, let's grow together. Identify yourself in the comment section. Yes, you don't need all these gadgets. For me, I am filming this video without a microphone, without a ring light. So, but if you think you don't have that strength to shout at the top of your voice, because if you're not using microphone, I don't know the kind of phone you are using, you need to voice out whatever you are saying. Make sure you are speaking out what people will hear. Okay, so if you think you don't have the strength to shout, or you don't want to talk about what people will hear, then in that case, then get a wireless microphone. Okay, in my next video, I'll be creating content on how you can record that video without a microphone, and how you can edit it. Okay, how you can edit it. Nobody will know that you didn't use a ring light. Nobody will know that you didn't use a microphone. Watch out for my next video, and please subscribe. Okay, so you'll be the first to get notified when I post a good video like this. You don't want to miss out. Bye bye, guys. Love you guys.